Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering evidence. List your top projects, languages, libraries, and the concrete results you produced. Focus on 1-2 domain strengths so hiring managers understand your intent, and prioritize work with measurable outcomes: accuracy, runtime, dollars saved. Once done, assemble GitHub links, a short portfolio page, and any reproducible notebooks. Make sure to remove PII and adult data. You should also note relevant tools and certifications, so you can reference them precisely in later sections. You now write a crisp 2-line summary that names the role you seek, your strongest skill areas, and one quantifiable achievement to hook the reader. For projects, structure bullets as problem, your approach, and the impact. Include numbers or percentages to prove value. Once done, group skills by category: programming, modeling, infra, and indicate seniority or versions so scanners parse relevance quickly. Make sure to prioritize recent and role-relevant items at the top of each section. You finish by tailoring the file for each target role. Mirror job keywords, reorder bullets to highlight the most relevant achievements, and trim anything redundant. For early career candidates, keep to 1 page. For senior roles, expand to 2 pages with clear headers. Once done, export a clean PDF, run an ATS check, and write a concise cover paragraph to attach. If your resume gets no responses, troubleshoot. Run keyword scans, shorten bullets, and test different achievement metrics to see what resonates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.